In order to diagnose food allergy, it's essential to take primarily a detailed history from the patient. The character and timing of the symptoms, relationship with food consumption, and other factors are questioned. The first test to perform is the skin prick test. It can be applied with commercially prepared extracts or directly with the food itself if necessary. Food-specific IgE antibodies can be measured in single or multiple blood tests. Both the skin test and the blood test results should be interpreted considering the patient's existing symptoms by a physician who is specialized in allergic diseases. With recently developed allergy tests based on molecular components, it's possible to distinguish the allergenic molecule of the food to which the patient is susceptible. These distinctions may be important for diet approaches and risk analysis. In suspicious cases where history and test results do not match, the diagnosis may be made by attempting to remove the food from the diet or by challenging the patient with the suspected food under appropriate medical conditions if necessary.